Welcome to VoiceIt. This video will first demonstrate the most common feature of VoiceIt. That is the ability to send someone a voice message in just 3 taps. The remainder of the video will go into more detail about the various other features of VoiceIt. The first tap is to simply start the VoiceIt application. By default, VoiceIt is configured to immediately begin recording when it's started, but you can change this in the settings. So the first tap is to start the application. It immediately records, and then you just need to speak the message that you wish to send to somebody. The second tap is to tap on the person that you wish to send the message to. VoiceIt then transfers your recording into your device's default messaging app, all ready to be sent. The third tap is to simply click the send button and send your message off to the recipient. Remember, VoiceIt recordings are simple audio recordings. The recipient does not need to install VoiceIt or any other app to hear your messages, so you can send a message to virtually anyone. That is how easy it is to send a message to someone, and I hope you enjoy using VoiceIt. By default, VoiceIt is configured to immediately begin recording when you start it. But if you would rather not have it do that, you can simply change that in the settings. Just turn off record on start, click save. Next time you go into VoiceIt, it'll be all ready to start a recording. Before you can send a voice message to someone in just 3 taps, you first need to create an icon for them so that you can tap their icon to send them a message. This is simply done by clicking the New Other button, selecting New Favorite, type in a few letters of their name, click on their name, it creates a new icon with their telephone number, and also you can type in a default message that will accompany any voice recordings that you send to them. You then just simply click save, and the icon is ready to tap on and send them a message. Another helpful feature of VoiceIt is the ability to send yourself a voice recording. It could be of an idea that you came up with or something that you need to remember to do later. The first step is to simply create a me icon. You simply type in your own cell phone number, then click save, and a me icon is created. When you tap that icon, it'll send the voice recording to your own phone, all waiting to be listened to at a later time. Another helpful feature of VoiceIt is the ability to send a voice message to more than one person. This can easily be accomplished by first clicking the multiple button at the bottom of the screen, then tapping on each person that you wish to send the message to, and then clicking that button again. VoiceIt will then transfer your message to a brand new group conversation, all ready to be sent. Another nice feature of VoiceIt is the ability to attach text to one of your voice recordings on the fly while you're making your recording. For example, let's say that you have a shopping list of items to get when you go shopping later. Normally you would click VoiceIt, buy lettuce, tomato, salad dressing. And when you send it to yourself, it is just going to come up as a voice recording with a general text of note to self. You don't necessarily know what that recording is if you have a bunch of other recordings in your inbox. However, if you click the add text button inside VoiceIt, you can then speak a little summary of your recording and it will get attached to your recording, as I show now. Buy lettuce, tomato, and salad dressing. Shopping list. Then when you send it to yourself, you now have a summary of what that recording is about. In our demonstrations, we showed how you can send a voice message to virtually anyone in just 3 taps. But that was assuming that you were already at the home page and the first tap would be to start the icon. But let's say you're inside another application. In order to start VoiceIt, you have to first go back to the home page, then you can click VoiceIt, but that adds an extra step. We want it to be truly 3 taps no matter what application you are currently using. So we added a feature called the Anywhere icon. You can simply turn on the Anywhere icon by going into Settings, turning it on, saving it. Then when you exit VoiceIt, you'll notice a little icon appear. This icon you can put anywhere on the screen and it's always visible. No matter what application you're in, it is visible. And by simply clicking on that icon, boom, it starts the recording process, making it truly 3 taps no matter what you're doing on your phone to be able to send a voice message to someone. We would like VoiceIt to be your favorite app. So if there's any suggestions that you have to achieve that goal and earn a 5-star rating from you, please do not hesitate to send us some feedback. And please remember to include your email address so that we can respond to any comments that you may have. Thank you, and enjoy VoiceIt.